Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ordering the correct Starlink kit and confirming service availability at your address, then unpack the dish and router. Once done, choose a mounting spot with a 10-30-meter clear sky dome and plan the cable route to the power source. Make sure you have basic tools, ladder, wrench, and weatherproof tape. You should also note nearby obstructions and record approximate compass bearings. This gets you into the action quickly and avoids backtracking during installation. You now mount the dish and manage cabling with care. Attach the dish to the chosen mount and tighten bolts per the specs, because a loose dish will drift and lose lock. Next, route the cable along a protected path, seal roof penetrations with a grommet or marine tape, and avoid sharp bends. Once connected, open the Starlink app to run the initial alignment wizard and allow firmware updates. This ensures the dish acquires satellites properly before you commit to a permanent mount. You finish by permanently securing the mount, sealing all penetrations, and tidying cables with UV-resistant ties so the installation lasts. Then, run speed tests and adjust router settings like co-S or port forwarding for gaming or remote work. If the dish fails to lock onto satellites, reboot the unit and rerun the app diagnostics. Next, check for new obstructions like branches or ice. If problems persist, record the diagnostic code from the app and contact support so they can check constellation handshakes and provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.